Tommy Flanagan is our resident stuntman. He came off a couple times. I haven't actually seen the footage of his last spill. You saw it.
Season 3 DVD gag reel. Half of it's Tommy falling off bikes.
By the way, are you from the network that you were more concerned about the bike? Than the actors? Sort of strange. Or Lloyds of London, where are you from?
I'm from Wales in the UK.
Okay, this is the last question. I'm really nervous. This is my favorite fucking show. Sorry. Is Gemma gonna kick more ass this season? Maybe instead of a skateboard, a surfboard, or?
Gemma, yeah. Yeah, Gemma gets very familiar with a gun, I would say, in season 3. Yeah, but it's, yeah, she's definitely going to kick some more. Yeah, she's on a more angry journey, I would say, this year. So,
more angry?
a little bit, yeah. Well, a little, you know, she's uncomfortable. She's sequestered, so things happen.
Let's have another big hand for the people from South America.